Hello all, welcome to Brilliant Coaching Classes. I am Nilima Patil. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 9.3. First question, carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs. First, 4p q plus r. The two expressions are given here. One is monomial and the other is binomial. Let us multiply these two. 4p multiplied by q plus r. This is equal to, now multiply this 4p with each term from this binomial. So here first 4p into q, 4p into q plus 4p into r, 4p into r. Now the answer is 4p plus q is 4pq plus 4p into r is 4pr. So this is the answer for the multiplication of these two expressions. Next, second, a minus b are the two expressions. Again, ab is the monomial and a minus b the binomial. Let us multiply. So first AB into A. Now without writing this step, directly we'll write the answer. AB into A. So first A into A is A square and B with that. So AB into A is A square B. Then AB into minus B. So it is minus A B square, because A is only single and B and B. So using the law of indices, A raised to m into A raised to n is equal to A raised to m plus n. So here 1 plus 1, 2, B square. So this is the answer. This is the multiplication of these two expressions. This is the product. Now third, A plus B. Now this is the binomial and 7a square b square is the monomial. Let us multiply. We can write first the monomial, 7a square b square into a plus b. Into a plus b. So again 7a square b square into a. So this is equal to 7a square into a. So a raised to 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is a cube and this b square. Next 7a square b square into b. So plus 7a square b square into b. So b square and b 1 will be b cube. 7a square b cube is the product for the multiplication of these two expressions. One is monomial, another is binomial. Fourth, a square minus 9 and 4a. Let us multiply these two. Instead of writing the monomial first, you can write in the second place also. So here we'll write first the binomial multiply by monomial 4a. A square minus 9 multiplied by 4a. So 4a into a square, it will be 4a cube. Here 2 and here 1. So it will be cube, 4a cube. Then minus 9 into 4a. So minus 9 4s are 36a. 36a. So this is the product, 4a cube minus 36a. Fifth, now multiply these two expressions where one is 0. pq plus qr plus rp multiplied by 0. Now you know that any expression or any number multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. So here the answer is 0. Next, question number 2. Complete the table. Here two expressions are given. First expression in the first column, second expression in the second column. Multiply these two and write the answer here, the product right here. First, A and second expression b plus c plus d. So we will multiply these two expressions and write the product here. This is a monomial and this one is trinomial. So this monomial will multiply with each and every term of this trinomial. So first A into B is AB, then plus A into C is plus AC, then plus A into D is plus AD. So this is the product for the multiplication of these first two expressions. Second, x plus y minus 5 into 5xy. Now this is a monomial and here it is a trinomial. So multiply this 5xy with all these three terms separately. 5xy into x is 5x square y, because here x 1 and 1, the exponent is 1 1. So using the laws of exponent, add these exponents, 1 and 1 is 2 and this y as it is. Next, plus y into 5xy, it will be plus 5xy square, because this y and this y, it will become y square. Both have exponent 1 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and this 5x as it is. Next, minus 5 into 5xy. So minus 5 into 5 is minus 25 and xy with that. So this is the product, 5x square y plus 5xy square minus 25xy. Third, p into this second expression, 6p square minus 7p plus 5. Now multiply this p with each and every term of this trinomial. P into 6p square, p square and this exponent 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. So here 6p cube. Next, p into minus 7p. So minus 7p into p is p square. So answer here minus 7p square. So second term. Now p into plus 5, it is plus 5p. Plus 5p. So this is the product, 6p cube minus 7p square plus 5p for this two expressions multiplication. Now here multiply these two, monomial and here binomial. So 4p square q square into p square. So here p square and p square will become p raised to 4. These two 4 and q square as it is. So here 4 p raised to 4 and q square. Next, 4p square q square into minus q square. So this minus sign here. Now q square and q square will be q raised to 4. 2 and 2 will be 4. So for q, the index will be 4. So 4 p square q raised to 4. 4 p square q raised to 4. So this is the product for the multiplication of these two expressions. Last, a plus b plus c into abc. Now this is a monomial and this is trinomial. So multiply this term with all the three terms of this trinomial separately. So abc into a. So here a and a. Multiplication will be a square and bc with that as it is. So a square bc. Next, plus b into abc. Now b and this b multiplication will be b square, because both have 1 1 as a exponent. So a b square c. A b square c. Now third term c multiplied by abc. So plus c into abc, c into c will be c square and with this ab variable. So a b c square and this positive sign plus a b c square. So this is the product for the multiplication of these two expressions. Let us solve question number 3. Find the product. First, a square into 2a raised to 22 into 4a raised to 26. Now see here, first multiply the coefficients and then multiply the variables. So first 2 into 4, we'll separate it, 2 into 4, and now multiply this variable. It is a square into a raised to 22 into a raised to 26. Now first multiply these two, 2 4s are 8 into, now we'll solve this part using the laws of indices, and the law is a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So here I'll write a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Now here a raised to m, a raised to n, if there is one more variable, then you can add their index. Now here a 3 times it is given, and the index is, for all these 3a, the indices are 2, 22, 26. So we'll add all these 3, 2 plus 22 plus 26, and we'll write that number as a exponent or index for this variable a. A will be common. So write here a, and now add all these 3 indices. 2 plus 22 is 24, 24 plus 26 is 50. Write that 50 here. Now 8 into a raised to 50, we can write this here this way, 8 a raised to 50, and this is the product for this multiplication. Next, second. So here also we will multiply first these coefficients. Here 2 by 3 is the coefficient, and here minus 9 by 10 is the coefficient. So 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10, and multiply these variables. So xy into x square y square. Now simplify this. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Now see here, 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, 1 into 5 is 5. Now solve this part, xy into x square y square. So first see this variable x and x here. Here x raised to 1, here 2. So using this law, add 1 and 2, it will be 3. So here it is x cube. Now y, here also y raised to 1, here y square. So 1 plus 2 is 3, it will be y cube. And this is the product, minus 3 by 5 x cube y cube. Next, multiply minus 10 by 3 p q cube into 6 by 5 p cube q. First multiply the coefficients. Minus 10 by 3 into 6 by 5, and then multiply the variables. P q cube multiplied by p cube q, p cube q. Now solve this part first. Here you can simplify. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Minus 2 2s are 4 by 1. It means it is minus 4. No need to write the denominator 1. Now multiply these variables using this law of indices. P q cube into p cube q. So first p and p cube. Using this law, here p raised to 1 and here it is 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So it will be p raised to 4. Now q cube and q raised to 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Q raised to 4. And this is the product. Minus 4, p raised to 4, q raised to 4. Next, x into x square into x cube into x raised to 4. So again, using this law, we'll find the product of this. There are 4 monomials, multiply them. So all have same variable x. So write that common variable x, the base is x, and now add their indices using this law. So here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So here the product is x raised to 10. Next, question number 4. In that two parts A and B, first we'll solve A. Simplify 3x in bracket 4x minus 5 plus 3. After finding the answer for this, find its value for x is equal to 3 and also x is equal to 1 by 2. For x is equal to 1 by 2 also we'll find the value. So first we'll simplify this. 3x multiply by 4x minus 5 plus 3. Now here first multiplication and then add 3. Monomial multiplied by binomial. So first multiply 3x into 4x, then multiply 3x into minus 5. So here 3x into 4x. First multiply the coefficients. 3 4s are 12. X into x is x square. Next 3x into minus 5. So it is minus 3 into 5 is 15 and this x. Next plus 3. Now observe this expression. There are no like terms. Here x square, here x, here without x. So you can't simplify it further, and this is the final answer for this expression. So here we simplified it. Now the next part of this question is find its value for x is equal to 3 first. Now we'll find out value substituting x is equal to 3 in this expression. So let x is equal to 3. Now write this expression again. 12x square minus 15x plus 3 and substitute this value 3 for x. So here x will write 3 square, here x will write 3. Now write 12 into, for x write 3 and square of that. Then again minus 15 into x. So x is 3, write that 3 for this x. Then plus 3. Now solve this. 12 into 3 square. 12 multiplied by 3 square is 9. Here minus 15 3s are 45 and then plus 3. Next 12 into 9. 12 9s are 108. Then minus 45. Then plus 3. Now solve this. 108 minus 45 plus 3. You can add these two first and then you can subtract 45, or first subtract this and then add 3. So first we will subtract this 108 minus 45. So 8 minus 5 is 3 and 10 minus 4 is 6 plus 3. 63 plus 3 is 66. So this is the value for this expression by substituting x is equal to 3. Now we'll take the second value. Now substitute x is equal to 1 by 2. So let x is equal to 1 by 2. Write this expression and substitute this value. So 12x square minus 15x plus 3. For this x we'll write 1 by 2 here as well as here. So 12 into x square. For x we'll write 1 by 2 and square of that. So 1 by 2 square, x square. So for x 1 by 2 and again the square as it is. Minus 15 into x value 1 by 2. So substitute here and then this plus 3. Next find the square of this. So 12 into 1 by 2 square. So 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. Next, minus 15 into 1 by 2. So here it is 15 ones are 15 and this 2. So multiply the numerators and this denominator as it is plus 3 again. Now here also we can simplify. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. And now in the next step, 3 into 1 is 3. Next, minus 15 by 2. Then plus 3. Now we'll add this 2 first. 3 plus 3 is 6 minus 15 by 2. Now see here the denominator is 1. So find the LCM. LCM is 2. So multiply here by 2 and here also by 2. Now 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2. Minus 15 by 2. Now 12 minus 15 by 2. 12 minus 15 is minus 3 by 2. So this is the value for this expression by substituting x is equal to 1 by 2. Next, let us solve question 4b. Simplify a in bracket a square plus a plus 1 plus 5. It means multiply this trinomial with this monomial and then add 5. And then find its value for first a is equal to 0, second a is equal to 1 and third a is equal to minus 1. It means substituting these 3 different values, find 3 different answers, 3 different values. So first simplify this. A multiply with a square plus a plus 1 and plus 5. Add 5 in that. So first find the product of this. A into a square first, then a into a and then a into 1. Then here positive sign is there. So accordingly write the sign also. So a into a square, using laws of indices, a raised to 1 into a square. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Write here a cube. The index will be 3 here. Now a into plus a. So it will be plus a raised to 1, a raised to 1. So it will be 1 plus 1, 2. It means a square. Then a into plus 1 is plus a. A into 1 is a only, and then write this plus 5. Now observe whether like terms are there, but no, there are no like terms. So this is the answer for this expression. So here this is the simplification of this expression. Now we'll substitute these values one by one and find the answer. So first, let a is equal to 0. Let a is equal to 0. Substitute that in this expression. Now here write a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. Now wherever there is a, substitute this value 0 for a. So here 0 cube plus 0 square plus 0 for this a and then plus 5. Now you know that 0 cube is 0 only, 0 square is also 0, then this 0, then this plus 5. So the answer is 5 when we substituted a is equal to 0 in this expression. Now second, substitute a is equal to 1. So let a is equal to 1. Now again we'll write this expression here, a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. Now wherever there is a, write the value 1 for a and solve. So here a cube, for a will write 1 and this cube as it is. So 1 cube, here 1 square, here 1 plus 5. Next, 1 cube is 1. 1 square is also 1 plus 1 plus 5. Now solve this. 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 5 is 8. So the answer is 8 when we substituted a is equal to 1 in this expression. Now see the third one. Let us substitute a is equal to minus 1 in the same expression. Now I will write that third one here. So third, let a is equal to minus 1. Now write this expression a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. Now substitute minus 1 for this a. So here for a we will write minus 1 and cube of that. So minus 1 cube plus here for a again minus 1 and a square. So here minus 1 square. Next for this a again write minus 1 and then plus 5 as it is. Next, now minus 1 cube. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 only. 3 times minus 1. So minus minus plus plus minus is minus. So here minus 1. Now minus 1 square. It means minus 1 into minus 1. Minus minus plus 1 ones are 1. So it is positive 1. Here plus minus is minus 1 and plus 5. Now write the final answer. Now minus 1 plus 1 is 0 or you can cancel it. Now minus 1 plus 5 is 4. So here the value is 4 when we substituted minus 1 for a in this expression.